Hi, I'm Nick. I'm a musician and demonstrator at Eigenlabs. This is the first in a short series of tutorials designed to introduce you to the Eigenharp Pico and its various features.
In this tutorial, I'm going to take you through setting up your equipment, installing the software, playing and switching sounds.
First of all, let's open the box and take everything out.
You should have the Pico with its attached breath pipe, one USB lead, one USB memory stick, a neck strap, a printed quick start guide, and a quick reference booklet. Insert the USB stick into a spare USB port on your computer. Open the USB stick by double-clicking its icon in the Finder. On the USB stick, you will see a software installer and a number of folders. In the Documents folder, you'll find a PDF copy of the factory setup booklet in both A4 and original size. The A4 may be more suitable for printing on your home printer. Throughout this tutorial, you may wish to have the booklet that came with the instrument handy. In the Tutorials folder, you will find some of the video tutorials.
The two thumb hooks at the back of the instrument can be adjusted in height. First, loosen the screws.
Move the thumb hooks up and down until your index finger rests comfortably on the top key on the front of the instrument. Then tighten the screws again.
The Eigenharp Pico also has a neck strap. One end goes around your neck. The other end of the neck strap clips onto the back of the Eigenharp Pico like so, holding it in a comfortable playing position around your neck.
Now plug your Pico into the computer. The larger end goes into a spare USB port. The small connector goes into the Pico.
The USB instrument cable wraps around the back of the Eigenharp Pico like so, preventing it from pulling free.
On the USB stick, locate the Eigen installer file. Double-click it and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the software installation. Installing the software with all its associated content takes around half an hour. Locate your product registration card that was included in the box. Make sure you're connected to the internet and then visit eigenlabs.com/support. Here you will be able to use the code printed on your registration card to activate your account. Once you have registered your Eigenharp Pico, you will be able to download additional tutorials, up-to-the-minute software releases, and enjoy access to our knowledge base, FAQs, and user forums. Launch the Eigen software by double-clicking on the Eigen logo in the Applications folder. You will see a percentage count appear on the top bar of the screen. The software takes about a minute to load. Once it has loaded, it will say running, and you will find that the keys on the instrument will now be playing a sound.
Now you're ready to play your Eigenharp Pico. You will see that the Pico has 18 keys. The top 16 of these are currently used for playing. This is middle C. And the first note is the C an octave below middle C. There is a strip controller down the front.
This is connected to control pitch on this piano.
And with this particular sound, we have connected the breath pipe to the sustain.
You will notice that along with the playing keys, there are 4 control buttons. The bottom 2 move the octave that you are playing up and down. The top right-hand button turns the metronome on and off. The metronome acts like a conductor in our system and controls all the loops and recordings you might be using. Right now, you can try it, and you'll hear some drums start to play.
The last key I like to talk about is the main mode key.
This is very important, as it gives you access to all the configuration and control facilities on the instrument. Using this mode key, the Eigenharp software is controlled exclusively from the instrument itself. This means that you can change and configure it while you are playing, without ever having to use a computer keyboard and mouse. You can change sounds and scales, control drums, recording and effects, all without putting your Pico down.
We'll be covering most of these features in a later tutorial.